Hey, I'm Julie, Fei-Fan Balzer, and today's Carve December prompt is wondering. And since I figured a lot of you might be wondering how to carve a stamp, I thought I'd do a very quick and easy tutorial on the simplest way that you can do it.
You can carve any kind of eraser. These are just pencil erasers, and you can see I have a little heart stamp and a little X stamp.
I'm going to use a small scrap of Speedy Carve, but you could do the same exact process with an eraser. So I use a ballpoint pen, and I'm just going to draw my simple design, whatever it is. So two kind of leaves, and if I want to add, details in, I can. Whatever it is that you want. Then I'm just going to use a regular old craft knife, and I am going to very carefully cut around. Now it's time to cut away the rubber. So you might want to put a mat or something underneath. If you don't have a mat, you could use a piece of glass in a picture frame, a heavy piece of cardboard, anything like that would work. And then I'm simply going to slice away the excess rubber. So you can see I've left a little bit of a sizable chunk here. I'm going to trim that down slightly. It's just because I don't want to carve away too much of the rubber because it will make it really hard to handle because it will fall apart. So I'm actually going to make just a sort of a shallow cut here so that a ridge of rubber stays there, keeping this all together. So you can see the little collar of rubber that's here in the middle. It gives you somewhere to hold, but it also makes sure that that weak point doesn't actually become a weak point and so that your stamp snaps. So now it's time to carve away all the little inside details that I want. Feel like you like stamp carving, you can trade in the craft knife for some cutting tools, and these make it, I think, a little bit faster and easier. I just use the plain old speedball ones.